We cannot follow charismatic leaders. Everyone, say yeah! No, that's exactly what I told you not to do!
Would you fucking calm down?
What's I gotta pay for the spaceship?
Can we?
Do you want to put that thing away? Yeah, we're done now.
Will I get to use it later on? Or?
Yeah, on the way back, as long as it's really quiet.
Are you ready to sell out?
I am! I am! Oh no, it's not the devil, is it?
Yes, it's me, the devil! Should I make him do it again?
If we're gonna defeat this devil,
I'm the devil.
if we're gonna defeat this devil, we need to all agree that we're not gonna be pricks. May I present the Tunatron 6000!
Wow, what great value! Is it supposed to feel like it's like drilling into the back of my head?
You might have a slight ringing sensation, but that means it worked. Look, we tested this on children, and none of them were moaning afterwards. Were they?
That's true. Should I do the right thing? Or I guess I can just double down and blame it on everyone else! If it's my fault, I'll just blame them!
People like me have had it really hard lately.
What you mean like musicians and that, like creatives, right?
Well, not just that, but middle-class, straight, white men. We've had our rights slowly stripped
Do you
away.
think maybe we could talk about this later?